Good morning, students. Once again, today we will discuss DOE worksheet 14 from your chapter Acid, Base and Salts. Student, in continuation of your last worksheet, worksheet 13, in which we have studied about the compounds which are made up from NaCl like NaOH, your baking soda, bleaching powder and washing soda. And in our last worksheet, we have studied about the formation of sodium hydroxide from NaCl. In continuation of that, today we will study how bleaching powder, baking soda, and washing soda prepared or formed. First, we will study our bleaching powder, right? First, we will study our bleaching powder. So, student, we have first chemical formula of bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2, and we also call it as calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder is prepared or synthesized by the action of chlorine gas over the dry slake lime. Means this calcium oxychloride, which we call as a bleaching powder, it is prepared by the action of chlorine gas on calcium hydroxide. See how this is our calcium hydroxide combines with chlorine gas or reacting with chlorine gas. Student, first of all, we have to take out water. See, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. 1 oxygen is left with this calcium, CaO. This Cl2 is attached to it, will be going to attach to it and form CaOCl2. And how this is the way we get our bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride from calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas. I'm sure now it is clear to you how you will prepare this calcium oxychloride by using these two things, one calcium hydroxide and second chlorine gas. Now just have a look on the properties of bleaching powder. First, we have bleaching powder is a pale yellowish powder, right? Second, it has a very strong smell of chlorine, that is kind of pungent smell of chlorine. Okay. Third, it is soluble in water. It is soluble in water, right? Now study uses of. Now we will study uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, for the bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, for bleaching wash cloth in laundry, as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry, for disinfecting drinking water, right? So this is all about your bleaching powder. Students, second compound we have baking soda. Baking soda, and today we will learn some additional information about baking powder also. Some students get usually confused whether this baking soda or baking powder is the same thing. No, student, it is not the same thing, right? And today by learning this you will come to know what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Chemical formula NaHCO3, right? And it is produced, this baking soda is formed by using your sodium chloride. See this chemical reaction. NaCl reacts with water and carbon dioxide with ammonia form sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride as a byproduct, right? This is we have baking powder. Student, baking powder is usually a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate plus tartaric acid, right? So we can say baking powder is made up from sodium hydrogen carbonate, which we usually call as baking soda, plus tartaric acid. These two combines to form baking powder, right? So now we will study the uses of baking soda. It is used for making baking powder, used as an antacid, used in soda acid fire extinguisher, for making tasty crispy pakoras, and added in the food for fast cooking. The third compound, students, we have washing soda, right? Washing soda, chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10 molecules of water, right? This is the chemical formula of washing soda. And the chemical name, sodium carbonate and 10 molecules of water. How it is prepared? It is prepared by using sodium chloride or heating baking soda and recrystallization of sodium carbonate. See, this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. When it is heated, it will convert it into sodium carbonate and water, and CO2 is released. This sodium carbonate combined with 10 molecules of water and form your washing soda, right? I'm sure it is clear to you. Yes, one thing it's very important, hygroscopic. Since it is hygroscopic, so absorb moisture from air. What do you mean by hygroscopic? The substance which absorb moisture from environment or from the atmosphere, those compound or those substances are called hygroscopic in nature or hygroscopic. Now student, we will learn the uses of washing soda. It is used for manufacture of borax. In the glass, soap and paper industry it is used. As a cleansing agent it is used, and for the removal of permanent hardness of water it is used, right? So now we will discuss the practice exercise, right? First question we have, write the chemical name and formula of baking soda and washing soda. Chemical name of baking soda, chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate and formula NaHCO3. And washing soda students, this we have Na2CO3 into 10 molecules of water. Second question, how is washing soda synthesized? So in this case you have to write the answer from here to here, from here to this, right? In which you can write, it is prepared by the action of sodium chloride, baking soda, heating baking soda, or recrystallization of sodium carbonate, and these two equations. Third question, what is the difference between the baking soda and baking powder? Students, it is clearly mentioned over here, so you can easily understand and write in a very well manner. Fourth question, we have name and write the formula of chemical which is pale yellow in color and give the smell of chlorine. This is the answer. Answer of this question is bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride, right? And the chemical used to kill germ is washing soda. Is it true statement? Clarified. Washing soda. Yes, it is used as a cleansing agent. So you can use this washing soda as a chemical used to kill germs. So student, this is all about your worksheet 14. Hope you understand it very well. If you really like it, the information given by me, do share and like the channel, like this worksheet and subscribe. Thank you, bache.